Hello everyone, this is Joel with SB Reviews. So today we're going to be comparing the GDCOO vibration plate to the MERACH vibration plate. We're going to be covering all different features, testing out their functionalities to see which one is actually worth it. Okay, so you can see that we have them side by side. They both come with a remote. The MERACH actually comes with batteries for the remote, but the GDCOO unfortunately does not. See, on the MERACH we have this really nice enlarged display. It's easy to read. And then on the GDCOO it's a little bit smaller. But let's go ahead and turn these on. So this is the first mode on the MERACH. And then this is the first mode on the GDCOO. Now let's turn up the MERACH to the highest mode. Now let's turn up the GDCOO. So as you can see, it just keeps going and going for the GDCOO. The MERACH only has 10 speeds, but the GDCOO, it's still going past 100 all the way to 200. You can see just how much it's vibrating. And then if you press the power button, it'll slowly go back down. And then for the MERACH, it's the off button, it immediately turns off. So for the MERACH, you can see that it tells us the time of how long we've been on this device for. It also tells you the calories and the speed that you're on. So it's very simple, very easy to understand display. Now for the GDCOO, the display is really nice. So we can adjust all the different modes here. We have a on button, and then we have a play button, and we have a start button. So that is the first mode, and we can adjust the speed really easily on here. And of course you can do it from the remote as well. Then they have P1 all the way up to P7. I believe that just changes the speeds lightly. And it'll tell you the time that you've been on this, the distance that you've gone, and the speed. And really the big difference between this and the MERACH display is that on the MERACH you actually can't touch the screen. You have to use the remote. But on the GDCOO you can adjust everything on here. But let's go ahead and test out this MERACH. Has a really good grip. Press the power button on the remote. And one thing I'm noticing right away is that this is pretty strong, so I could feel it all throughout my legs and my lower back and my sides. So we're gonna slowly raise this up to 10. But yeah, I can feel this vibration all throughout my legs, my entire body almost. Then it has an auto mode. I'm not really sure how it decides what is the best for you, and then once you want to get off, you just press the power button. It'll immediately stop. And they also include this resistance band, which you can use. Give you a user manual just talking about all the different features and the troubleshooting if you need it. All right, so next up is the GDCOO. As you probably noticed right away, the platform is definitely wider, it seems, than the MERACH. And it's also flatter. It's not as curved, but it doesn't seem it has that good of grip compared to the MERACH. I'll go ahead and turn this on. So the first mode is pretty strong too, and it's really cool because they give you these straps which you can use to get a better workout in, but they don't really extend too far. You can maybe use them for like curls or lateral raises. And like I showed you earlier, this has 200 speed modes on it, so we're not going to go all the way that high, but I could definitely feel this a lot more in my body compared to the MERACH, just because it has way more modes on it. You might like the platform on this one a little bit better just because it's wider. If you have bigger feet, it might be more comfortable. Now this comes with an instruction manual too, but it does not come with any resistance straps. It only comes with those handle straps on the side, which you can easily take off or put back on. So I mean, both of these performed really well. They're both strong. They have really easy to read screens and adjustability on the modes. Each one also has suction cups on the back side here, so that way you can use this on a bare surface. That for the GDCOO, and it's nearly identical on the MERACH. But I didn't have any issues staying on top of these vibration plates, so the grip is very strong. Now if you want something that has a wide variety of different modes, better feet placement, or like a wider feet placement, the GDCOO definitely seems the best bet with that. But if you want a little bit better LED screen that you can read, something simpler, maybe something a little bit more portable, then the MERACH is a good option. Unfortunately, the MERACH didn't come with any of these strap handles like the GDCOO did, but honestly, you'll probably just get the best workout from the vibrations. Also, I almost forgot to mention too, on the GDCOO, you can actually connect your phone to it and play music through its Bluetooth speakers. Unfortunately, the MERACH doesn't have that option.